Hi guys, it's Carrie with Rockin G Farm. Well, today it's August the 7th and I've got some plants that I need to pull out of the garden and succession plant. So that's what I'm doing. It is sprinkling a little bit. We had some massive thunderstorms last night, but the rain has stopped just a little bit, and I think I can get out here and get some of this stuff planted and these old plants pulled out real quick before I go to work. Okay, let me show you. Chickens are behind me, trying to climb out. Okay guys, my ladies are wanting out. They like to eat the grasshoppers that I finally have taught them how to eat. So we're gonna just open this up while I'm out here and let them come out and eat grasshoppers. They do like to get on my tomato plants a lot, but since I'm out here, hopefully they won't. But the tomato plants, most of them are coming out. A lot of this stuff is coming out. So there's the entourage that needs to come on out and eat the grasshoppers. But I'm gonna go down here to bed number 4 and rip up the cucumbers. Actually, so we're going to pull out the old cucumbers and plant new cucumber seeds. Actually, we got some cucumbers there that need to be harvested today. Well, hi, sweetheart. How you doing? How you doing, sister? How you doing? Yeah. Okay. Let me go get our stuff and we'll get started for today. Chick chick! There you go. Feeding the girls. Chick chick! Get them fed. They're doing so much better with getting rid of all those other roosters. I think we got rid of a total of 5 roosters. So we have this one who is going to be our flock rooster. And then we have 2 that I hatched out from my, when I hatched this fall or the spring. We're gonna get rid of them. And then I've got some black Americanas. I'm going to get rid of one of my big black Americanas and some of the smaller black Americana roosters. So, got another black Americana joining us right there. And we have another black Americana over there. Chick, chick, chick! And some of the other chicks that I hatched out are out in the field with the cows. So here comes the rest of them. Chick, 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 chick! Chick, chick! All right. So let's get back to the garden. Just want to show you what I found. I got this at Big Lots. It was so cute. I found 2 of them. I think they were on sale for $13. They are solar powered and they have an Edison bulb in them. So I put them out here on the arbor and they light up at night and they are so beautiful. So that was a really good find. The only bad thing is they are level with my head. So I do run into them quite often and hit my head. So let's go get this garden fixed so I can get out of this rain and go eat breakfast and head to work. Some good cucumbers here. Those are nice. Bitten my foot. Get off my foot. And those 2 can probably grow a little bit. So we got 2 pretty good sized cucumbers to eat fresh today. Oh, here's another one. They like to hide. Let's see, do we have any more under there? The poor plant looks hideous. That's why I'm gonna succession plant some. And we'll have plenty of time to get a harvest before the frost. Okay, so here we are right here. We've got some cucumbers. So here in the south, our cucumbers usually succumb to the heat and powdery mildew and funguses, and that's what you're seeing right here. But luckily, we have a long enough grow season so that we can replant our cucumbers and have a good harvest. And I'm hoping that this rain stops really quick so I don't have to do this in the rain.
So if you have some cucumbers that are looking like this and you have a longer growing season, go ahead and rip those suckers out, reseed, and then you'll have another awesome harvest right before the fall.
Hey guys, I was coming over here to get my pruners and I looked over here because I was going to start cutting down some of my tomato plants because they've got disease on them when I found a hornworm. Oh, he just pooped. So let's look right here. This right here is a tomato hornworm. It's got wicked looking teeth. So probably a good thing I'm taking some of these plants down with the hornworms around. So here you go. So we can get one of them to eat that worm. I don't know if they're gonna see it. Ooh, I'm up here also by my spiders. Got lots of good spiders in the garden. We'll leave them be. Somebody will eat that worm in a minute. So anyway, I saw that hornworm because this tomato plant's like, needs to go anyway. All right. Oh, so let me show you. This also right here can show you, this is what hornworm damage looks like. I just happened to see the hornworm when I looked over. But if you're looking to see what is going on with your tomatoes, if you see this where all of the foliage is off of your plant, that is tomato hornworm damage. And they can decimate your tomatoes in a day. They can take the whole plant out in a day. Actually, here's another one right here. Let me show you. There's a little baby one. And when I'm looking for them on my tomato plants, I look for white instead of green because the white to me stands out a lot more than the green because you're looking right here in all the green. And when you look, you can see the white better. So let me give this to them also. She'll look. Oh, there she goes. She's gonna see it moving. There she goes. She got the babies. Woohoo! Got it. Bye-bye, hornworm. Oh, she got the big one. Woohoo! She's excited now. Got her a treat. That's what you're supposed to eat in the garden, sister. Not my tomatoes. Okay, back to the garden. So as you can see, this is a yellow pear tomato plant. You can see the yellow tomatoes in there, but you can see also all the diseased plant part of the plant. I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm done looking at it. I'm done looking at the icky. So we're just going to go ahead and chop this sucker down too, and we're going to replant this bed with cucumbers.
I was really amazed at the root system on this tomato plant at the end. It was massive. Wow, I was really impressed. When you are pulling up dead or infected plants, don't ever add them to your compost because that will infect your compost and you will be spreading it back into your soil. So today the chickens got a sweet treat with all of these old plants from the garden.
Okay guys, I've got some Wisconsin SMR cucumbers that I'm going to plant again for succession planting over here in the cucumber bed. I've got one of my chickens thinking that she's gonna get up here, but we're gonna fix this back so they can't get in here. So I planted 6 seeds just so that hopefully they'll all germinate and I can pull up what I don't need, but there's not going to be much time to redo if the germination rate is not good, so I'm going to go ahead and overplant my seeds. Cucumbers are planted again. As you can see here, I went ahead and pulled back up the netting, so hopefully the chickens won't get in there. They got in there and pulled up all my onions, and then of course the grasshoppers ate the rest of the onions. So no onion crop this year, so we're gonna have to come up with another plan for that next year. So like I said, we did 6 seeds of cucumbers here. We'll just start letting them trail up, and I did 6, so hopefully we will have a good germination rate over here. And so guys, thanks for joining me today as I succession planted some of my vegetable seeds in my raised beds. So hopefully in a couple weeks we will have some more cucumbers, beets, and sweet peas. So thanks for joining me today, and make what you have beautiful.